In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Boomplay app. So if you're having issues with your Boomplay app and maybe you can't play the music or the app keeps on stopping or crashing, then let me show you how you can fix all these problems. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, there are quite a number of steps you can take to be able to troubleshoot your Boomplay app. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and access the app information page through settings. So if I go to settings and click on it, scroll down until you see this option called apps. And under apps, you can see we have this option called manage apps. Now for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. So look for this option called manage apps. On your phone, it might be written more apps or all apps, and then tap on it. Now this will list all the apps you have on your smartphone. Scroll until you see your Boomplay app. And as you can see, my Boomplay app is here. I'll tap on it. And as you can see, we are on the app information page. This is where we are going to do the first troubleshooting. Now, if you can't get to this page, let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go back and then look for your app. Once you get your app, go ahead and long press on it, and you'll see this option called app info. If you go ahead and tap on it, you will again get to the same app information page. From here, we want to go ahead and clear the app data. And if I go to storage here, you can see we have a lot of app data that is available on this app. So more especially, I want to clear cache data. When you talk of cache data, we are talking of small files that are normally stored on your app whenever you use it. Now, these files are normally stored on your app to enhance user experience. The problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. So we need to go ahead and clear the cache data. And to do that, just go down here and choose this option called clear data. And under this, choose clear cache and then OK. And as you can see, our cache files have been cleared. From here, restart your smartphone and then go ahead and open the app. Now, at this point, your app should be running well. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then proceed and clear all your app data by tapping on clear all data and then OK. So from here, you'll have to log in afresh and start using your app. So at this point, now everything should be okay. But if this didn't solve your problem, then proceed to the third and the last method. And this is accessing your app through Google Play Store if you are on Android and App Store if you are on iPhone. So for my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for this app through Google Play Store. So I'll go ahead and tap on Play Store. And from here, search for Boomplay Music app and then look for any update. So one of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you have been using an outdated version of Boomplay app. Update your app to the latest version and then open it. At this point, it should have fixed all the bugs and any security issue or any problem that was associated with your older version of Boomplay app. So by using any of these three methods, you should be able to get your app running without any problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.